There exists a hidden world around us where pain is a weapon, venom is currency, and creatures the size of your thumbnail can bring down animals 1,000 times their size. A place where evolution transformed small beings into true machines of chemical defense and lethal aggression. You are about to meet the most dangerous, venomous, and brutal insects inhabiting our planet. Creatures that challenge our perception of what it means to be small, yet absolutely deadly. Prepare yourself, because some of these stings are described as the worst pain a human being can consciously experience. Insect number 1, the Tarantula Hawk Wasp. We begin with a creature that seems to have come straight out of a nightmare, the Tarantula Hawk Wasp. Also called the tarantula hawk, it is one of the largest wasps in the world, reaching up to 5 centimeters in length. But it's not the size that makes it truly terrifying. It's its sting. On the Insect Sting Pain Index, it is described as a level 4 pain, the maximum on the scale, comparable to dropping a running hairdryer into your bathtub while you're inside. The pain is so intense it can temporarily paralyze a human adult, lasting up to 5 minutes of pure agony. The curious thing is that these wasps are not aggressive toward humans. They reserve their paralyzing venom for their favorite prey, giant tarantula spiders. The female hunts, paralyzes, and drags the spider to her nest, where she deposits a single egg on the still living victim's body. When the larva hatches, it feeds on the tarantula from the inside out, keeping it fresh by avoiding vital organs until the end. You definitely wouldn't want to have this wasp as your enemy. Insect number 2, the bullet ant. If you thought you'd already heard of the worst possible sting, allow me to introduce the bullet ant. Its name is no exaggeration. People who have been stung describe the sensation as being shot, a penetrating and throbbing pain that radiates through the affected limb. This Amazonian ant, 2 to 3 centimeters long, possesses a neurotoxic venom called ponerotoxin, which causes waves of excruciating pain for up to 24 hours. Indigenous tribes of the Amazon use these ants in initiation rituals. Young people must wear gloves woven with hundreds of bullet ants for 10 minutes, enduring thousands of simultaneous stings, and repeat the ritual 20 times over months to be considered warriors. Victims of single stings report uncontrollable trembling, intense sweating, and inability to use the stung limb. Unlike many ants, they don't hesitate to sting and are surprisingly aggressive when disturbed. If you enjoy topics related to nature and science, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us so much to keep bringing this type of content. Insect number 3, the Asian giant hornet. Moving to Asia, we find a true monster, the Asian giant hornet, or giant mandarin hornet. The world's largest hornet, with a wingspan of up to 6 centimeters and a 6-millimeter stinger. In Japan, where they are most common, these hornets kill between 30 and 50 people annually, more than any other wild animal in the country. Their venom contains 8 different compounds, including a cytotoxin that destroys tissue and a neurotoxin that blocks nerve signals. But the most terrifying thing is their aggressiveness. They attack in groups, can sting multiple times, and release pheromones that mark victims so other hornets from the colony attack the same target. A single Asian giant hornet can kill up to 40 honeybees per minute. And a group of 30 can destroy an entire hive of 30,000 bees in just a few hours, decapitating them with their powerful mandibles. Insect number 4, the Africanized honey bee. Speaking of bees, we cannot forget the Africanized honey bee, also known as the killer bee. Created accidentally in Brazil in the 1950s when scientists tried to create a more productive bee by crossing African and European species, these bees escaped and spread throughout the American continent. Individually, their venom is no more potent than that of common bees, but their behavior is radically different. They are extremely defensive, attack in massive numbers, swarms of thousands, and pursue threats for up to 400 meters. They defend a much larger perimeter around their hives and respond to disturbances 10 times faster than European bees. Hundreds of simultaneous stings can be fatal, and these bees have caused more than 1,000 documented human deaths since their creation. Insect number 5, the red imported fire ant. Returning to ants, we have the red imported fire ant, small but incredibly aggressive. Native to South America, it became a devastating invasive pest in the United States, China, and Australia. Its name comes from the intense burning sensation its sting causes. These ants attack en masse when their nest is disturbed, quickly climbing up the victim and all stinging simultaneously when they receive the chemical signal. Each ant can sting multiple times, injecting an alkaloid venom that causes painful pustules that last for weeks. Annually, in the United States, about 14 million people are stung, and approximately 80 die from severe allergic reactions. But the danger goes beyond. These ants kill newborn animals, destroy crops, and cause billions of dollars in economic damage annually. Insect number 6, the European hornet. The European hornet is an imposing creature that can reach up to 3.5 centimeters in length. Native to Europe and Asia, this species was introduced to other continents where it adapted very well. Its impressive size is accompanied by a potent venom that contains high concentrations of acetylcholine, a substance that intensifies the sensation of pain. The European hornet sting is described as significantly more painful than that of smaller wasps, causing intense burning, extensive swelling, and in some cases, local tissue necrosis. Although generally less aggressive than common wasps when unprovoked, these hornets defend their nests vigorously and can sting multiple times. Their nests, frequently built in tree cavities or attics, can house hundreds of individuals. For allergic people, the venom can trigger severe anaphylactic reactions, and even for healthy individuals, multiple stings can cause systemic symptoms such as dizziness, nausea, and tachycardia. Insect number 7, the paper wasp. This one is a creature you've probably already encountered, the paper wasp. While not the most venomous on this list, it deserves recognition for its aggressiveness and frequency of attacks. These wasps build paper nests on eaves, branches, and other locations near human activity. They are extremely territorial and, unlike bees, can sting repeatedly. Their venom contains substances that cause sharp pain and swelling, but also alarm pheromones that attract other wasps from the nest. Attacks by entire swarms are common when someone inadvertently disturbs a nest, although rarely fatal for people without allergies. These wasps are responsible for more hospitalizations from insect stings than any other species in many regions, simply due to proximity to humans and willingness to attack. Insect number 8, the stinging caterpillar. Now we enter surprising territory, venomous caterpillars. The stinging caterpillar looks like a small, harmless green and pink jewel, but its branched spines contain stinging venom. Touching these spines releases toxins that cause immediate and intense pain, followed by skin rashes, nausea, and, in severe cases, breathing difficulty. The venom attacks both the skin and the lymphatic system, causing swelling that can last for days. These caterpillars are responsible for thousands of accidental poisonings annually, especially children who mistake them for something pretty to touch. What makes the venom particularly problematic is that the spines break easily and embed themselves in the skin, continuously releasing toxin until completely removed. Insect number 9, the Puss Caterpillar. But if you think you've already met the most dangerous caterpillar, prepare yourself for the Puss Caterpillar, considered the most venomous caterpillar in North America. Covered with long, silky hairs that resemble Persian cat fur, it hides beneath that fluffy appearance hollow spines filled with venom. A single brush against this caterpillar can cause pain so intense that victims report the sensation of broken bones. The venom causes radiating pain that spreads, massive swelling, grid-pattern red spots, nausea, abdominal pain, headache, shock, and even breathing difficulty. Severe cases require hospitalization, and the pain can persist for 12 hours or more. These caterpillars are found in trees in the southern United States, frequently falling on unsuspecting people. Insect number 10, the assassin taturana caterpillar. The truly deadly caterpillar lives in Brazil, the assassin taturana, responsible for documented human deaths. This greenish-brown caterpillar possesses spines that contain one of the most potent animal venoms known, an extremely powerful anticoagulant toxin. Unlike other caterpillars that cause local pain, this species' venom enters the bloodstream and causes a devastating hemorrhagic syndrome. Victims can bleed from all body orifices: eyes, nose, mouth, gums. Massive internal hemorrhages can occur in the brain, kidneys, and other organs. Without treatment with specific anti-serum, the mortality rate can reach 3.5%, and even with treatment, victims can suffer permanent kidney damage. Outbreaks occur in southern Brazil, with hundreds of cases recorded annually during caterpillar season. The world of venomous insects reminds us that size isn't everything when it comes to survival. These small chemical warriors developed arsenals that can bring down creatures thousands of times larger. They are living reminders that we must respect even the smallest inhabitants of our planet, because some of them carry enough power to transform a casual encounter into an unforgettable and painful experience.